Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note 40 and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Let's tap. Now we have to scroll down, and as you can see in this backup, reset and restore section, we've got the option to back up the data to Google Drive. That's only option we've got here, which is really nice. We won't mistake anything. So let's tap on backup to Google account and then tap on next. Of course, if you've got your Google account added to the device, you will be able to simply choose it from the list. If not, you will have to do it right now. So add the account and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. Right here in this tab, you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet. And it is really, really simple, so I highly recommend to do that. And here you can enter your email or phone. So let me do it quickly. And tap on next. Right here we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, perfect. Let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so let's tap on it. And here we've got the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. And as you can see, here we've got our Google account, so let's tap on it. Here you can decide what you want to back up from the device, so photos and videos and other device data like contacts, call history, device settings, text messages, etc. It's up to you. I will choose only this one, but of course you can also mark photos and videos and tap on confirm. And as you can see, the backup is on, so we can tap on manage backup, and here we've got the section where we can check how much space we've got left. We can manage the storage, so as you can see we've got 15 gigabytes of the Google account. Here we've got backup details, so you can check what has already been backed up. Advanced settings, which I highly recommend to keep turned off, thanks to which you can avoid some, thanks to turning off this option, keeping it turned off, you can avoid some charges which may appear if you will back up the data using your mobile data, for example. And to finish everything, simply tap on backup now, and as you can see, your device is backing up the data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.